Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace your master cylinder gasket. So when I bought this vehicle, it didn't have any brakes. Turns out there was a hole in the brake booster because the master cylinder had leaked brake fluid into the booster, which had corroded away the balloon material. And since then I bought a remanufactured one and everything's been good. But when assembling it, I actually didn't have this little gasket, so I don't know that it's crucial, but let's go ahead and replace it now that I have it. And the part number is on here as well. So all you need is a ratchet with an extension with a 12mm. As you can see, there's just two bolts holding it on. There's one right here. It holds on your valve. Then there's one on this side as well. And this one has a little connector that holds this plug up. Got that bolt off there. Let's go ahead and slide this piece off. Just pull forward gently. Now we got that other side off. Let's go ahead and pull it forward gently. Alright, so if we just wiggle that back and forth, we'll slide forward gently. Let's go ahead and remove this old gasket that's damaged. As you can see, that's what it looks like. Just the pattern side goes towards the front of the vehicle. So let's throw that away. Here's that new one. Let's go ahead and slide it on. And this won't leak unless you tip it upside down. And obviously don't yank it around because there is brake lines that are made of metal attached to it. So if you bend it, those lines would be bent and kink or break. As you can see, I slid that gasket over the two bolts. Let's go ahead and slide this cylinder back over. That's now slid over those two bolts. Let's go ahead and do this piece now. Okay, we've got that hand tight for now. We'll come back to it. Then here we have this stud. We need to put the bolt on, but before we put the bolt on this connector, there's a little washer that needs to slide over that bolt. Let me show you. As you can see, that needs to slide over that. And let's go ahead and put that bolt on there. I've got that bolt on there now. Let's go ahead and snug it up. That's all snugged up now. I was able to get that bracket on there, and same with this side. And just make sure up top here, sometimes this will be slid forward. So just push backwards on it, and that helps keep this pressure valve in. It also helps it keep from rotating. But thanks for watching. I'm not sure why that gasket's useful. I figured since I had it here and it was only $1 from Toyota directly, might as well throw it on. Subscribe for more. Thanks.